In today's video, I will teach you how to blend images together for a double exposure effect in PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make a perfect double exposure effect, you must pick the right images to blend first. A good candidate for double exposure is at least one photo that has high contrast, either with a dark background and a light foreground. Although it's not necessary, this can come out handy when you adjust the blend mode because it will allow the other image to poke through only through the dark or light portion. Once you've chosen the right images to use, you can now open your background image into the editor. To add your second image, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can upload your second image. Simply click on the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your second image. Once the image is uploaded, you will see it under the Uploaded tab. Now, you can either drag and drop your second image to your canvas, or you can simply click on it and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, to do the double exposure effect, we have to change the blending mode of the second image. To do this, go to the Layers panel and make sure that the high contrast image is at the top. Now, select the high contrast image and go to the sidebar and open the Fade and Blend tab. Under the Blending Mode drop-down menu, select the blending mode that suits your image the best. Screen is typically the go-to blending mode since it specifically keeps the blending in the dark area of your image. Once you're satisfied, you can now add graphics and text to your design to make it more interesting. And once you're satisfied, you can now save the image to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.